What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Snapchat. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then search here Snapchat. Now click on Snapchat and then click on install. Now here you can see it will start installing. After complete this installation, it will show on your home screen. So this is the way to install Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.